Hey guys, Sandy here, and I wanted to share with you my How to Kill a Kit with Style layouts and what I have left over for the month of April 2020. So this is what I have left over. I still have a decent amount of this 6x6 cardstock pad, and I expected that. So I wasn't, crazy. I don't remember if this was in this kit or if this was supposed to be in my homemade kit, but I did use 4 out of the 6 colors. For this die cut sheet from Altenew, I have used almost all of them. There are a few more that have popped out, but I think, oh no, duh. So I have this, and then off the acetate sheet, I just have the 2 butterflies, and let's be real, I'm not using those at all. It's just not going to happen. For paper, this is what I have left of the paper. So this was a 12 by 12 sheet of little insects frames, so I still have a bunch of those, and I have this one little scrap here. I used almost the entire package of star shapes. Used a okay amount of the silver Fitzgerald thickers. Used an okay amount of this freckled fawn foam alphabet. I only have one of these October afternoon label stickers left. And then I used a decent amount of washi tape you'll see on the layouts. Still have them, didn't wipe anything out. Used a couple of these little stars. And I still have a decent amount of these florals left, but I used a good amount too. I think I used more than half. So let us get into the layouts so I can show you guys what I actually accomplished. Now this layout right here, it is a photo of when all 5 of us were talking, whether it be in person or FaceTime. So my son was in Japan on this phone, my daughter was in Florida on this phone, this is my husband, this is my other daughter, and of course I'm taking the photo of the 5 of us chatting, and it's just really awesome that we can do that. Washi tape, some of that magic mesh. Oh. I still have a little bit of that left too. A little bit left. Lots of leaves, lots of these little frames. Then I have this layout where I watercolored these punch-out sheets from the Altenew thing, layered it on top of the frames, and then just did this selfie of my husband and I in Monterey. This one was a layout that I wasn't sure what I was doing with it. Originally, I think I was going to have it this way, but ultimately I decided to have the layout this way. You can see the little silver stars throughout. No idea what we were doing this day, but we were heading out. My white pen actually lifted the color off of this paper, so it's turned into like this pinky purpley pen, but I mean it's okay because it kind of goes with what I've got going on there. This is some texture paste put through a stencil. Of course I still have the texture pastes as well. I did not completely use them. This is a layout that I made, texture paste here and some stamping, and then this was my stretch the sketch for this month, and I just made it to coordinate. Probably going to go this way. I think I go back and forth each time I put these two together, but I believe it's going to be on this page. So in the album, the back of this will be something to coordinate with whatever's over here. And then this is how you'll see it in the album. And this is a frozen Great Lake, and yes, I used all the flowers, and no, I don't have a problem with that whatsoever. I don't feel like I have to be constrained to themes, so flowers during ice works for me. This is the last layout that I did, and this is a layout that I completed without hitting record, so this one did not make it onto my channel this month. I did this a lot this month where I was recording and didn't actually record, so it was a mess. This is just a mug that I took a photo of while I was at work, and I sent it to my husband to be funny, but not really funny. This floral paper right here is a very old paper. It's from 2004 Arctic Frog. So my title is It Is Epic, I Am Always Right, and then I added the day 1, day 2, day 3, just because I thought it kind of went with the theme. I threw some leaves, some florals. Even though this is a very graphic floral and these are very realistic florals, I don't mind that they are together. I put some mesh on it and also the green stars, and my journaling says, I couldn't resist taking a photo with this mug at work. Of course, I sent it to Christopher as a joke, but not really a joke. He definitely appreciated the humor in it. He definitely appreciated the truth of it as well. And I mean, yeah. So that is it. So with this kit, I can complete it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 layouts, and I used a lot of it, so I'm definitely going to call this kit killed. This stuff will go back into my stash, and stay tuned for my How to Kill a Kit video for the month of May, where I will show you and share with you the kit, and then I will make videos throughout the month. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I will see you again real soon for another video.